Hi guys, I'm Sumit, a CS student from NIT Warangal. Today we are going to explore a very interesting AI tool that literally writes code for us. It is called OpenAI Codex, and by the end of this video, you'll be knowing exactly how to use it. First of all, it is exclusively free, and you don't need to pay even a single penny for using Codex. Okay, let's get started. For downloading this, come to any of your browser and just type just type OpenAI Codex, and you will be coming here, and you are seeing this Codex is product of the same company which is behind the ChatGPT. So here is the website. We came here and try. If you are a Windows user, come and download from here. So I've already downloaded, so I'll not waste time on downloading, and I will directly go to that. After downloading, you will see the interface will be something like that. Codex, open it. You can see this beautiful AI tools. Like it will be applying something like that. Mm. It is similar to Claude. Like there is features of plugin automation, which is similar to features of Claude get connected and plugin. If you have used Claude, you might integrate that. Okay, without wasting any time, let's try to build some project. And see, I want to took any of the subscription and I'm using it exclusively free. And let's make some start from scratch. Okay, we'll build. What should we build? Let's build some game. Like how can we rename this? Rename the project new snake later games. We will try to build snake later game. Okay, save. Okay, we'll give a simple prompt, but while giving the prompt, take care of you should give the detailed prompt, like what you want to build. You should explain clearly so it can build as it is. It needs to understand what you want. So I will prompt it. Oh, I just give a simple one, like build a simple UI snack ladder game having simple functions. Let's see what will it do. And you can see here are lots of model like low, high, medium, high, extra high. Based on what kind of task we are going to do, we can choose it. It's ChatGPT 5.5, and the powerful AI agent of currently of OpenAI are ChatGPT 5.5. So we are going to use it, and let's see what time it will take and what will it make. Later on, I'll be explaining how to integrate your codex with your VS Code. See, I have already integrated my VS Code with codex. There is anti-gravity kind of. I'll ignore that. I'll show that also. See, it has started already building our index HTML page. Sorry, file. It is currently working. Okay, debut change. Let's see. Okay, it have already made. See, these are the line of code. This is our index. Oh, it is. Do it use a single file? Hmm. It is a single file. Whole CSS and HTML are in single file. Let's try to open this. Okay, let's see what it have made. Oops, it made a really interesting, really stunning art, isn't it? Turn one player, it took roll the dice. Okay, I got six. How will I move? Player one and player one, new game. Ladder move up to higher tie, snake, slide down to the lower. Exactly. Exact finish, roll up to five. So, okay, look, see, I got the six, and the first player moved to six. And another, if I roll the dice, I'll get the four, two came the four, and after that, six went there. We just need to click here, and the game is ready. Here's the beautiful project built in approximately less than 1 minute. See, it worked 1 minute 10 seconds, and you are able to build such a beautiful, stunning web page, which is fully functional. That's all for today. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.